So I'm down in my crawl space and I have a light installed right there, but what I really want is a light installed way over there. But unfortunately, there's no electricity run all the way over there. So I plugged in this extension cord that goes to the switch, which goes to this light fixture here. You just throw in a light bulb, and then when you hit the switch, obviously the light comes on. So I'm gonna run this back to that area over there and see how much lighting it gives me. All right, ran that line, and there it is. Just have it secured in place in a couple spots with zip ties. One there and one over here. But yeah, super easy to run, way easier than trying to wire it, you know, into the house. Just have a light bulb on an extension cord. Works good. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could